There's no question Kansas City's one of the leading cities in the nation for independent giving. We stand head and shoulders above most cities in the nation. And we really have stepped up to the mark, not only with the Performing Arts Center, but with our museum, with our World War I museum. It's Truman Library and Union Station. We have many institutions that have been successful. Well, I think our philanthropic landscape is absolutely marvelous. We don't have as many people as St. Louis, and we exceed them at every level. And we seem to be a giving city, and we seem to be very happy in our giving. I really feel like they're up there looking at me, and it helps me toe the line. I think Mr. K would be so proud of Kansas City.